Hello guys, welcome to Learner's Bench. We know reasoning is very important in many competitive exams. So today let's learn blood relations chapter from reasoning. Representation is very important in blood relations. For example, we represent male with a square shape and female with a circle. The relation between siblings is represented with a single line and relation with a spouse is represented with a double line. Spouse means a wife or husband. For example, for a wife, the spouse is husband, and for a husband, the spouse is wife. And the third one is relation between parent and child. Here you can see very clearly I wrote 4 of the relations. B is father of C and C is son of B. A is mother of B and B is son of A. This is just the concept in the blood relations chapter. If you know this concept, you can do the problems without any confusion and you will be clear. Now let's do some questions. The first question is, a person who is the husband of my son's sister. Who is the husband of my son's sister? My son's sister will be my daughter, because son's sister will be daughter, no. Son's sister, husband. Husband of my daughter will be my son-in-law. Second question is, how is my father's brother's only sibling related to me? My father's brother's only sibling. Only sibling means my father's brother is having only one sibling. That sibling will be my father. So how is my father related to me? My father is related to me as father only, no. Third question is, showing a photograph, P said she is my mother's son's daughter. How is the person in photograph related to P? Let's draw a diagram for clear understanding. P, she is my mother's mother. P is mother's mother. Son's daughter. So, son's daughter. Daughter. Son's daughter. Here we can see in the diagram that these two are cousins. So, she will be cousin to P. Now let's do some questions. There is a given information and we need to solve this question. A is father of C, but C is not his son. Given that A is father of C, if C is not his son, C will be the daughter of A. E is daughter of C. E is daughter of C. F is spouse of A. Spouse means wife here, because A is a male, so F will be wife of A. B is brother of C. B is brother of C. Brother is represented with a single line. D is son of B. D is son of B. G is spouse of B. G is spouse of B. Here also G is a wife because F is a male. H is father of G. H is father of G. G is having father, that is H. So this is the given diagram for this information. So we'll do the question. Who is grandmother of D? D's father is B and B's mother is F. So D's grandmother is F. So option 3 is the correct one. There is one more question given for this information. Who is the son of F? Here F is mother of B and C. But C is daughter, B is the son, because here circle means female and square means male. So B is the son of F. Next question. The question is, Neelam, who is Deepak's daughter, says to Deepika, your mother Rekha is younger sister of my father who is third child of his father Ramlal. By seeing this question, you may feel that it's a very hard question, but if you draw the figures step by step, the question will be very easy. Let's understand the question. Neelam, who is Deepak's daughter. So we can understand that Neelam is Deepak's daughter. Says to Deepika, your mother Rekha is younger sister. Here if you see that, says to Deepika, your mother Rekha, means Deepika is daughter of Rekha. Deepika is daughter of Rekha. Your mother Rekha is younger sister of my father. So Deepak and Rekha are siblings. Who is third child of his father Ramlal. So father of Deepika and Rekha is Ramlal. Once again, let me give you a clarity. Here we used parent and child relation. Here also we used parent and child relation. Here we used sibling relation, and Ramlal is father of both Deepak and Rekha. I hope you understand the diagram totally. Now let's do the question. How is Ramlal related to Deepika? Ramlal and Deepika. Deepika mother's is Rekha and Rekha's father is Ramlal. So Deepika's grandfather is Ramlal. So grandfather is the correct option. Friends, this is a do-it-yourself question. Here paternal uncle means father's brother. Answer this question in the comment section. Hope you learned something from this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.